Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. If you're anything like me, you recently just chopped your hair off. Was it the best decision for your hair? Yes, but was it the best decision for your mental health? Probably not. Um, was this caused by a mental health issue? Maybe. But who cares? Because now you're here. Maybe go, it looks cute. Don't don't fret. Don't listen to them saying you look like Dora because you don't. Okay, calm down. But what I will say is I like me a little wave, a little curl to my hair. Alrighty, everyone. Let's get things started. I use this microfiber towel to lock in that moisture, honey. Then we go in with this wow spray, and I really like it for detangling my hair. And then I go with this Caroline Daughter's cream, repairing cream. I got it at Target. I'm so sorry for the whispers. And the Mr.smith hair serum, a wet brush. I love me a good wet brush, I'm gonna tell you what. Then I get a little claw clip. My aunt gave me this, and look at me trying to hide from the camera. This is some heat spray, and get yourself a nice little reliable blow dryer. So we go ahead, spray it all over, get the cream all over there. Start from under my hair just because I miss it most of the time, so I like to go there first, and then I'll work my way to the top of my hair, brush it out. And you gotta prep your hair because you're about to put it through something, and you'll get the best results if you prep your hair good. Obviously I was jamming, and if you know what I'm jamming to, please comment in the comment section because I always think it's kind of cool to guess. My favorite thing about this blow dryer is that it's detachable, and I can take the top off and just give my hair a little rough dry. And I'm pretty impatient, so I won't wait until it's mostly dry. I will dry it whenever I'm tired. Obviously, we're going to go ahead and split it into two different things and blow dry it that way. I use a little clip for it. And honestly, I don't mind however you dry this one because it doesn't really have that much importance, because if we're going to go over with a straightener, it's going to smooth out regardless. If you guys want a tutorial on how to give yourself a good blowout with short hair, just let me know, because honestly it can be really tough trying to do it. And I agree, I sometimes look like Dora with this haircut, but it's okay because I think this is the best. My hair is overlooked when it's short because I got it professionally cut. I would advise that because whenever you cut it in yourself, it can kind of look like you're Tina from Bob's Burgers or Dora, whoever you want to look like. I did my hair, literally this is the time I look like Dora, and this is me trying to curl it with the curling wand, and I am horrible because that barrel is huge and it kind of hurts my hair. But look, curl. Not really. Anyways. Yeah, I threw it as a joke, but it really hit the wall and I got in trouble, so don't do that. Alright, so what we came here to watch, the curling of hair with straightener. Okay, watch that technique work. Alright, there's a little saying I like to tell myself and repeat it in my head just to kind of keep myself on track because I can get confused, honestly. Okay, so I slowed it down. So I grab a chunk, maybe 1 inch, and then I spin away from my face. Then I pull my hair. Then I come into my head, get the straightener out from my hair, then I spin one more time. Pull, and then let go. Okay, get maybe 1 inch, spin, pull, into face, spin, pull. Spin, pull, into face, spin, pull. You have to know what works for your hair because my hair is naturally curly, so it will hold a curl better than some of the stick straight hair. When I was younger, I would actually straighten my hair, then go in with a wand and curl it, which was kind of crazy. Like now I would never do that, but I will admit my hair was really smooth and had a nice little wave. Okay, spin away from the face, pull in, spin away from the face, pull in. That's kind of fast. Sometimes you don't have to pull, but I like when I pull it out because it sometimes looks a little better than what it does whenever I don't pull. But just work with your hair. Look at what works for you. And if you don't pull, you'll get more of a ribbony, tighter curl, but if you pull, you'll get more of a wavier look. Just rub your fingers through it, run your fingers through it, and get a little serum, a little spray, and you're done, pal. Good luck.
Just wanted to come on here and say thank you for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like and comment. I kind of want to start doing more short hair tutorials because I've recently cut my hair and I've had my hair short before, so I have a few tips and tricks that I like to do. So yeah, it's kind of cute, kind of fun for the summertime. Also, it'll help you not look like Dory. So it's either you look like Dory or you don't.